Hi, I'm Mick from Power Property Maintenance Queensland. Whatever your property repairs and maintenance needs are, we have you covered. Whether it's around the home, rental property, commercial or body corporate, we can help. Large or small jobs, nothing is too much trouble. We provide a full range of maintenance services including rubbish removal and cleaning. We deliver a better experience. We're punctual, clean and tidy with over 24 years experience. Contact me today. Give me a call or drop me an email for a no cost, no obligation assessment. Thank you.